Right. Hey, uh, I'm still working on the Modbox update for a few weeks from now, but I thought I'd make a quick video to show some of the new features that we're adding, AI features that we're adding. So this is a creation that we made to test AI characters. We have a few of them randomly spawning, a car, and they just right now are going to random waypoints. But I'll edit this guy to show the text-to-speech components that we added. These guys are just running into each other. But I'll edit this guy and I'll add voice. So right now we have Amazon Polly text-to-speech and Replica. Replica I think has higher quality voices right now. I'll go to that and I select the voice type. This guy looks like an old guy, so I can, based on his picture, I'll select Solomon. So now to actually have him talk, I'll use the scripting to add a component. So talking test. And then let's say on start, do in his voice component, voice speech component, I want to speak a line. So I'll go say, hey, how is it going? It is going good. Just to have him talking to himself. And we'll start, and we'll run that code right now.
Hey, how is it going? It is going good.
All right. Well, one thing that he really needs is animation. So I'll go on change in voice speaking. I could have him play an animation right when he talks, but I want him to start the animation when he actually starts talking because it might take some time to get the text to speech from the server. Usually a delay about like half a second. So I'll go if he is speaking, do in component in his animated humanoid component. I'll go play animation and I'll set which animation to play. Talking, talk friendly, and then when he stops talking, I want him to stop the animation. All right, we'll try that out.
Hey, how is it going? It is going good.
All right, so for the next part, I'll go back into edit mode, and I'll select this guy named Bobby. So for this guy, we added a GPT-3 chatbot component. So this is using the OpenAI GPT-3 language API. And the way that works is you pretty much just give a text of how you want it to talk, and then it responds with text back. So this is great for creating AI characters in the game because you can define how I want the character to actually talk to the player. So I can, in its prompt, I could say what I want, what knowledge I want it to have, or what sort of personality I want to give it, and based on that, it can then generate text to talk to the player based on the player's questions. So for this one, I said it's an NPC character named Bobby is late for work at City Hall and has no time to help the player. So ideally, there would be a writer that would come up with something good in has to do with the quest the player was doing, but this is what I added right now. And then I added the voice command component, so I could actually have the Bobby actually respond to me saying his name and start the conversation. And then he's using these text-to-speech service Replica with the Deckard voice to respond. And just to show the component, he has this talking chatbot component, which is written entirely in Modbox scripting, which on hearing his command, he starts talking to the player. He then says hello player name. He starts speaking. He plays an animation to speak. He then starts listening to the user, and then on hearing a line from the user using speech to text from the user, he then gets a response from the chatbot service, and then responds and speaks the line what the chatbot gave it to say, and then after he's done talking, he then listens again to the player. And only when he hears the words "bye" in the line that he heard from the player does he stop talking. Uh, so yeah, I guess I'll go into VR and try talking to Bobby. Hello, Bobby.
What do you want?
Where are you going?
I have to go to work. I'm already late and my boss will punish me if I show up even later. Please leave. I can't help you right now.
Where do you work?
I work at City Hall. It's a government building in the center of town. It's a huge and beautiful building. You can't miss it.
What street is it on?
You're smart. I like that about you. City Hall is located on City Hall Street location.
All right, goodbye.
Goodbye.
Okay, we'll talk to this hot dog man. Hey, hot dog man.
What can I get you?
What kind of hot dogs do you have?
We have 3 kinds of hot dogs. The normal hot dog, the sweet hot dog, and the very spicy hot dog.
Can I get a deal? 3 for 1 hot dog?
Sorry, we can't do that. The customers would not like it.
Well, how much is a hot dog?
One normal hot dog is 6 coins, one sweet hot dog is 10 coins, and a very spicy hot dog is 9 coins.
What makes it so spicy?
It has some Tabasco sauce on it that makes it very hot.
Alright, goodbye.
Goodbye.
Alright, that's enough. The AI is kind of acting weird over there. So, yeah.